one-man wolf pack. But when Katie brought Keith home, I knew he was one of my own. And my wolf pack, it grew to 2. So there was just me in the wolf pack, but then Keith came, so then there were 2. And then Keith joined when there was 1, and then he was 2. About 6 months ago, when Keith introduced me to you guys, I thought, wait a second, could it be? And I knew for sure that my wolf pack just expanded to 5 more wolves. And there were the 7 of us running around Fort Lauderdale together, getting kicked out of elbow room.
Hating like that.
And wanting to get some strippers at a bachelor party. And some cocaine. So tonight we make a toast.